Can my eSIM activate hotspot? Verifying if your eSIM can share data is actually quite simple. Visit Holafly.com or open the Holafly app and search for the destination you're interested in. If you're using our website, tap on Technical Specs, where you can check if your plan includes this functionality. If you're using our app, look for the tethering hotspot icon. To share data from your eSIM, simply enable the hotspot feature on your phone. For iOS devices, 1. Go to Settings and then Personal Hotspot. 2. Toggle the switch next to Allow Others to Join to On. You can now share data with other devices by connecting them using the Wi-Fi network name and the password displayed in the Personal Hotspot menu. For Android devices, 1. Go to Settings and then to Connections. Once there, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. 2. Toggle the mobile hotspot switch to On. You can now share data with other devices by connecting them using the Wi-Fi network name and the password displayed in the Personal Hotspot menu.